Hi guys, so I told you that I had some things planned. Well, we're at the Courthouse car wash today, and I'll show you why in a little bit, guys. So anyways, guys, we're going to get a car wash here. You'll see why in a moment. A hint is it's over there, not in the front. So let's see what we got here. So this is one of those car washes that once we get into the tunnel, there's going to be a person coming out to pay to let us get our. There's going to be a person inside the tunnel that we're going to have to pay the money to. So pause if you wish to read of anything here. Uses like turtle wax. So I believe, guys, we're going to be getting the Works wash for $14. Take a moment here, guys, to show you guys the self-service bays here. So you can get a self-service wash. So let's give you guys a hint. It's an old Belanger system that we're about to see. So anyways, I'm going to skip the video until we get into the tunnel. Well, here's the inside of the car wash, guys. It's an older place. So the man right now is going to be helping wash our car. So before we go in, everybody, this man here is helping us get all the dirt and grime off, and he's helping basically make our car, my mom's car, I shall say, very sparkling and clean. So anyways, guys, as I want to skip to the good part for you guys. This man here is being thorough, and he got a little tip, in which he deserves it. So look at this, guys. This little light right there. That's cool. Check out this bay, guys. This is cool. Very, very nice. And this camera here, we can track him, what he's doing. Maybe we give him maybe we get our tip back. Yeah, just kidding, guys. He's doing a great job, and I recommend this car wash already, even before we go into the tunnel. So, anyways, this is a old Belanger system, an original equipment made by Belanger. So we're getting some pre-soak, beautiful Belanger equipment. Black and blue. Nice, nice colors. Car neutral, no steering, no braking. Okay guys, I'm gonna call it. We have Belanger Airstream dryers coming up. So we got some rocker panel brushes, gonna take advantage of showing you guys. Then we got some of these really, really fast spinning brushes here. And then you got an old Belanger side-to-side mirror. As we got some of our tri foam. Kinda looks like oh, there it is. It is tri foam. Got some color changing lights. Alright guys, so I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to show you guys the car wash here. We got really cool things coming up. I'll be quiet starting now. Rust inhibitor. So this is the Belanger Airstream dryer. It's rolling, but that should be okay. Those side dryers over there never really showed. Well guys, there you go. That was the Courthouse car wash in Fredericksburg, Virginia. With some really cool Belanger equipment. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna get our car vacuumed here for a little bit, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm telling you, I would never know to find something rare like that, guys. But anyways, see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Peace out, y'all. I'm gonna see these dryers here. So this is what you miss. The side dryers by Belanger. I'll be quiet. Belanger Perform Air, excuse me guys. Show you this dryer and then that's it. I don't want to show anybody in the video. Alright, it's too small of a car. Thank you guys for watching.